In this slide, we will go over how to use unit rate to compare which one's a better choice in the given example. In the first example, we're going to be comparing the prices of socks. 3 pair of socks to $10 or 5 pair of socks to $12.50. We will do a ratio table again to organize our information. So we're comparing socks to cost, and that's the two variables we are writing down. This is $3 to $10, and we will convert them into one according to which one makes more sense. And since we did a similar example before, we will buy socks in wholes. So this is the one that we wanted to be in whole. That means we will divide this question by 3 on both the numerator and the denominator, and we get $3.33 rounded to this part versus 5 pair of socks for $12.50. And we will again convert socks into 1 by dividing by 5, and we get $2.50 because proportionally we divided by the same number. And let's look at the price. $3.33 for 1 pair of socks or $2.50 for a pair of socks. Apparently this is the better choice right here. So let's write it down. In the next example, we are looking for which one is faster. So let's draw the ratio table to organize the information and compare. We have the two variables in this question again will be miles and hours, and that's what we put into the ratio table. We have 85 miles to 5 hours. Since we normally say miles per hour, we would convert the hour into 1 because that's more common usage. So we will be divided by 5, and proportionally we do the same thing to the numerator, and that brings us 17 miles in an hour. In this next example, let's first understand the second part of this. Oftentimes people think that 6 hours 30 minutes would plainly means 6.3 hours. Make sure you don't make that mistake because 30 minutes is half an hour. That means 6 hours and 30 minutes converted to whole hour is 6.5 hours. This is not right. Since they share the same variables, we will proceed and do the same setup with the miles as one of the variable and hours as the other. We have 105 miles in 6.5 hours, and we will convert the hour to 1 by divided by 6.5. So we will divide it by 6.5 also in the numerator, and that brings us 16 and 1500. So comparing the speed, let's first write them into a statement. This means 17 miles per hour, and this is 16 and 1500 miles per hour. Since we're talking about speed, the bigger the number, the faster. So this is faster. Okay, that's it for the lesson.